Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to put the Apple devices into trade-in box. After you apply for the trade-in program on apple.com, you will receive this package from FedEx or UPS. Let me open it. Inside the trade-in box, you will see instruction, a sticker, and also shipping label, which you have to stick on the top of the box. Then in there, you will see something like this. This is where you have to put your Apple devices into this insert. Over here, it shows the 3 steps to put your devices inside the box. Number 1, leave to remove this insert. Number 2, slide either a phone or Apple Watch into the side opening, which is on the top. Number 3, fold and place insert in box. Let's do it. Now let me show you step by step. Step number 1, you need to make sure your device, all the data has been erased. Okay, just make sure you do it before you return. So how to erase all your data from your devices? Okay, in order to erase data, you need to go to Settings and then Journal. Under in the Journal, you will see the Reset button. Then you can reset all settings, content, or you can reset network. So right here, please click on erase all content and say, and there's a pop-up window saying that do you want to update your iCloud backup before erasing? You can back up first, or you can erase now. Once you click on erase now, your device will be erased, all the content and settings. Then you will go back to the original status. Step number 2, make sure that you turn off your Apple devices like iPhone. So let me turn it off. I have already turned it off. Step number 3, after you power off your iPhone or other Apple devices, clean up. Just make it look like a brand new. Step number 4, put your Apple devices into here. The problem is that it's kind of difficult to put the Apple devices into this insert. Okay, but let me show you. Number 1 thing you have to do is just open everything. Open. Then on the top, there is a hole right here. You see that? You just need to put your iPhone or other Apple devices in here. And there's one thing you have to do before you put your devices into it, is that you have to bend this back like this, so that there's a space where you can put your devices into it. Otherwise, it will be kind of difficult to put devices in there. Okay, so let me show you. I just bend a little bit, create a space, then just put this into it. So it's much easier right now because I create a space so that I can just easily put inside and bend the back. Okay, all right, and just close the top like this and the bottom. Okay, button like this, and there you go. I successfully put the Apple devices into this bag. Alright, after that, I just need to put inside the box. Okay, just like this. So this way, it will be inside the box safely. Okay, next step, just close the box. Close the box, and then you will need to put this sticker on the side of the box, like here. Okay, right here. Okay, this sticker, take it out and put on the side. Alright, okay, the last step is just put this address label on the top of the box like this. Then you can return it. You can then go to the FedEx or UPS depending on the shipping carriers that you got. Then just return this box back to them. That's all. Pretty easy.